In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to turn on creator mode. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go over to your profile. Once you're there, you're gonna scroll down until you see this option of resources. Then there'll be an option there, creator mode, which you can see is off right now. So to open it, I'm just gonna click on it and then I'm gonna click next. So as you guys can see, once I open creator mode, it's gonna give me this section talks about. So here it's gonna display all the skills I have and what I'm showcasing in my profile. So now I'm gonna click next, and then I'm gonna add all the skills which I want to share with other people. So let me just add some skills. So let's say I wanna add WordPress. There you go. So now as you guys can see, I have 5 skills added, and now I'm gonna click turn on creator mode. All right, so now I'm gonna click, then you can click next. You let your audience know about the content you create. So I'm gonna click next. So you have to create a post, but in my case, I do not want to create a post. So I'm just gonna close it. All right, so I'm gonna just go open a new tab. All right, so now if I go to my profile, you guys can see that this option is successfully displayed, talks about all the skills which I had added before. And now if I go down, you can see that the creator mode is successfully on. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.